Hi guys, so it's Friday, or I think it's like 11 or 12. I am thinking I'm gonna go somewhere. There's a lake near, I mean it's not near, it's about 45 minutes away, so I'm gonna give it a go, and then I'm gonna try out my that's if it's even open. That's what I'm worried about as well, it might even be open. So I'm gonna also fully start up my diesel heater. I did start it up, but I haven't fully let it go because I just didn't have time and I needed to charge the battery. So I'm thinking I'm gonna do this. Hopefully, I mean I've gone pretty late. I mean I might need, I don't know, let's see. We'll just see how it goes, and then yeah, I mean if I didn't have to come back here, which I kind of don't, but I do, then I probably would have just gone. But yeah, anyway, I'll see what my boyfriend wants to do. If he wants to go maybe another time. Anyway, I'm going to test it out, I'm going to see how it is, and then we'll go from there, and I'll see you later. Hi guys, sorry about the angle of the camera. I'll just have to put something next to it because I haven't, unless I put you up here, which means you're super close to my face, and I won't, I might just do it. But it's just like so beautiful views. I mean it's England, but it's just so many fields, the sun's out, I don't even know what temperature it is, but it's lush. I got myself a bit more fuel, and I'm just cruising along at 65, and oh, it's just lovely, and I can just feel so much heat on my neck and on me. It's beautiful. We're about 15 minutes from the location, so I'll see you there. Hi guys, I've come to the location, and which is Eckington Park, but the roads are completely flooded, and the area that I would have stayed on is completely flooded to the point where it's all on the road. There is a caravan park here, which you can see there, and the lake's literally there through those hedges, but I don't want to stay on a caravan park, so yeah. Oh my god, I've come all this way. And I can't do what I wanted to do, which was just chill on a lake. There was a few locations on the way, so I'll probably just go back to those. It's been fun anyway. I need to stop somewhere because my oil light has come on, so I do need to stop and chill somewhere for 15-20 minutes anyway. Bit of a fail, but yeah. Okay, so we're here. I've stopped off literally like Joe if he would be interested in doing that for me. So this is my view currently. Isn't it stunning? So I'm just going to throw this dead looking, sad looking plant out in the world because it is fucked. Lighter with me. Yeah, I don't want to have the situation like last time where I ended up using a camp splint, which was fine, but you have to have the gas on for a period of time and I didn't like that. And do I have a fork this time? The question is, do I have a fork? Oh my god, I do. I have a fork. So yeah, so I will be doing a few things in the van and I will be doing a few trips. The completion of the van will just be completed when it's completed, basically. That's kind of just the way it is at the moment, I'm afraid. Because, yeah, I just kind of, I don't, basically the money that I was going to save on, the money that I had allocated build, I'm now using some of that to live on because of the lockdown and my job stopping my hours, basically. I absolutely adore this design. I've not seen it in any other campers and it completely resolves the issue. I have so much space in this camper because it's going to extend all the way around to here, so all of this area here will also be a kitchen, so I have a massive L-shaped kitchen. And I've got myself some water. See, I'm getting better and better at this. So yeah, I haven't fitted it to the tank, the wire to the tank to the oven, because no one seems to be giving me an answer. Everyone says don't do it yourself, but I phoned up people like LPG places to see if they will do it, and they're not going to do it. They want to do the whole thing. They don't want to do like just the fitting part. Yeah, the tiny little lights all the way around the place. They're cute. So anyway, let's keep you all up to date and everything. So, in nature. Isn't it stunning? I've actually got 5 seats. I've got seats for 5 down there, but I'm sat on the step. We're gonna have to say goodbye to the view for a few seconds. I mean, we're still gonna have it, but it's starting to really rain now, so I'm gonna close the door.